In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed form on Shopify Klaviyo. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Sign Up Forms tab. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms in one place. Next, click the Create Form button to open the form template gallery. At the top of the gallery, select the Embed filter. This is important because you want a form that sits directly on a page, instead of a pop-up that appears automatically. After you filter to embedded forms, click the template you want to use. Klaviyo will also prompt you to choose a list. This list is where new subscribers from this form will be added, so make sure you select the list you intend to grow with this sign-up. When you are ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Publishing makes the form available for installation on your site. Right after you publish, you will see an installation pop-up with a small block of code. Copy that code exactly as it appears. This code is what tells your Shopify theme where and how to display the embedded Klaviyo form, so be careful not to leave out any characters. Now open your Shopify admin in a new tab so you can switch back if needed. In Shopify, click Online Store, then choose Customize for the theme you are working on. This opens the theme editor where you can place content on specific pages and sections. In the left sidebar of the theme editor, navigate to the area of the page where you want the form to appear. Then click Add Section. From the list of section types, select Custom Liquid or Custom HTML, depending on what your theme provides. These sections are designed to accept code snippets safely. Paste the Klaviyo embed code into the text box. Take a moment to ensure the entire code block is pasted, with no missing lines. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to apply the change to your theme. And that is all there is to it.